we'll guide you through how to automate email marketing in Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Automations tab at the left-hand menu of the page. Click on Create Automation to start a new automation journey. You'll be prompted to choose an automation type, so go ahead and select Build from Scratch to automate your email marketing. Next, you need to choose a preset or create a custom automation. Presets are great if you want something quick and already structured, but for more control, choose Custom. Once selected, you can begin to set up your triggers. Triggers are essential because they determine when your automation starts. For example, you can set a trigger for when someone subscribes to your list or opens a previous email. Click Add Trigger and follow the on-screen instructions to configure it. Then, you'll want to add your emails to the journey. Click Add Email, and you'll see options to design your email. You can use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to customize your email content and design. Make sure to set the timing for each email you add. This ensures your subscribers receive emails in a sequence that makes sense for them. Mailchimp allows you to set delays between emails, so think about how often you'd like your emails to be sent. Once your emails are set, review your entire automation journey to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Start Sending button to activate your automated campaign. Mailchimp will take it from there, sending out emails based on the triggers and schedule you've set up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.